Say Prophet Kobi no muja. We go to neba efu.
Even I thought you are the one who taught Badukobi how to do some rituals, drink humans' blood.
Nipo yi nipa boni for power we ase. E so for Owusu Bempah. To me go sorry.
Wan Akasa.
Owusu Bempah.
Abusua se ye nipa baako a ne ho akyere ne pa e wo ye Nkumawood industry ni mu a Mr. Clement Bonny. Edi a edi nim no wo screen so anase Kumawood no Mr. Beautiful. Ever since Mr. Beautiful declare ne stand, then the support nyina Emma His Excellency John Dramani Mahama no yante Mr. Beautiful nkebiem. Nene Mr. Beautiful say nyame ncha de 8 years and over nie na mo position ne nyame adom na abayaba o guarantee interviews ne ho na Mr. Beautiful wo be reveal secret bia efa prophet Owusu Bempah ho a yenyina yenim se na emre atwamu na prophet Owusu Bempah na odi MPP amonyoku na chi yi pa recently was say waja MPP afi wo true support de ama His Excellency John Dramani Mahama secret no enie.
I don't know whether you were a staunch member of Prophet Badu Kobi's church.
I'm still.
You still a member?
Yes, sure. And I pay crime in Akasa.
The last time I was sorry that.
And I pay crime in Akasa.
No, the last time I was sorry that.
Last Sunday, name Yakra.
Until the last time I was sorry that.
Echina Sunday, yeah. 2 weeks now I saw them.
Prophet Badu Kobi are sorry membership senator.
What in the maybe affected Prophet Kobi? Because of one person.
Who is that?
Owusu Bempah.
No.
Prophet Owusu Bempah.
How can another prophet affect another prophet ministry?
Yeah. Neho ena Mr. Boaje busano entokwe bia na ekoso between Prophet Badu Kobi and Prophet Owusu Bempah. Neho ena Mr. Beautiful we really secret upon secret abusia enyasem keto akra.
The moment a Prophet Kobi boy na the onye ne nantu bi o me gina no catch on telephone me gu sorry me gina no catch no so me gu sorry
Wan Akasa
Owusu Bempah
o catch wan
catch Prophet Kobi me gina no catch no
waguno
o se me gu sorry
no waguno
and o start here Prophet Kobi no muja we ko tu ne ba efu o so won ben Prophet Kobi ti say dia meme ben na obi kasa asam we che obi di nechi nipa o ye nipa bonefo we wi ase pa Ewo Prophet Kobi na life e yoso for Owusu Bempah me na me kan ye beautiful na kan ye wona woka.
So it's your own word.
It's my word. Nipo yi nipa boni for power we ase e yoso for Owusu Bempah.
Yeah, hi, let's talk GH rumors. And then the first time I pop into a video Mr. Opa so be subscribe no like no leave you comment ewo comment section ho e de amame. Abusia, the reason why Mr. Beautiful say Prophet Owusu Bempah yinipa boni ni na fe nam so ama Prophet Badu Kobi na sorry ni nyina aguye interview bia years back Prophet Owusu Bempah grante ya o kire adekunti a ono otwe ne ho efri Prophet Badu Kobi ho a enam so na odin sem bebre tu bia e kire se Prophet Badu Kobi akotu ne bafunu ono no mmoja ne ade enam so ama Owusu Bempah atene ho afiri ne ho a enne ama obiara ente Badu Kobi nka bi mu no sei na nkomonisi kofae
Tato bingo eba menchen.
Okay.
Oba menchen or say man of God. Some years back you are one of my enemies.
About catch you plane.
Yes, you are one of my enemies. And Abusa say, why are you saying that? And I say, because you took Badu Kobi as your son. And Badu Kobi is not correct. Badu Kobi, I mean, he is worshipping idol. So I thought you are the same as Badu Kobi. Even I thought you are the one who taught Badu Kobi how to do some rituals, drink humans' blood, and so forth and so on.
About open pointed drinking human blood.
Or catch them with blame.
Maybe Saturday.
Say na o feel say men so me no nipa moja ni bi. Eno nti na me ye ne enemy and wife kra enemy. Eno nti time o hu sama ba bonte abeka se Badu Kobi ed ne ho awura ne ma bim. Nse se Badu Kobi enya me ba bim no. And o catch ne wife say to be frank with you, half of the small can I mean.
No. Can it be enye wiase? O se ewo
abrabum e so for Owusu Bempah every 6 months na so for Prophet Kobi or top brand new car e de so for Owusu Bempah what be catch ne say 2016 omunko shankom na nyankopon aka kire say akufo ado benwini na Prophet Kobi say on nyame nka asam it was no omo de no way phobia ba omo be chinchim ne amanti yisi kura no be gene machine.
No, you're making allegation, please.
Oh,
please.
No, no. Oh, Ajimai.
I wasn't there, please.
Me, I was there.
Mr. Beautiful. 2016, which is 8 years now. Oh, what? Please.
I was there.
So you were a witness?
I was there.
Your floor bet media dance.
I was there.
No, your floor bet media dance.
I was there.
No, that's not. It doesn't answer my question.
Ajimai. Sofukobi. Si nyankopon kansa asem ne nkyere no.
Wo si Osofo.
Nana do wini ye no 2016. And the prophet Kobi Beshem come say Ghanaians will regret after 6 months.
Power the fam.
And when Owusu Bempah Badu Kobi say waso da ye hu fruits. Inti Ghana be ye de. Around that time no ena eja Bempah frɛ prophet Kobi so hia no. All komi Kobi. The living room eye two. Ye were big living room, ne was small living room. Ye call small living room. O ka kyerɛ ne say wasan so hyehyɛ nkom agimanu aduane ato form.
Huh?
Yes. Asem I am me yes will be na come me you. I was there.
Power the fam.
After that no decided say me go sorry. So for prophet Kobi one some ni mama asemba on ajima no what touch me wrongly. Don't say anything negative about these two men. Don't try. Because I know them. Prophet Kobi, I know the man. Me no. Many prophet Kobi start saying in 2012. Yeah. Samuel T. Oya way. Me, you can't say anything negative about Prophet Kobi to me. Oh. Me, I know the man. I know him very well.
Power the fam.
But oye ni penti, me to me can say me to me di mitia to hamano because oye ni pa. But I know the man. Owusu Bempah ne kachen say, what you want for me home? When family your spiritual father be me go sorry. Also no moja, we kutu ni bafunu. Or you see, some more kind na, ba ko cry no way no cry. A tronkwa. Omuka kase beautiful ne kan ye.
And you're be an beka omuti omo.
Thank you.
They are watching, they are listening, so it's not me.
Beautiful ne kan ye. Inti question now be say no. Because of the bad things of Owusu Bempah did to Prophet Kobi, the members they reduce. No two ways about that.
It it means that Osofo Owusu Bempah has succeeded, right?
Was succeeded by edenenim. Was succeeded but edenenim channel. He will pay for it.
E dey ben bema
Osofo. Da o catch and say megu asore no. Prophet Kobi catch him say hey beautiful. Be careful. Owusu Bempah na say emfa wanu ntum. Okay. Me mpesa obeka na asem. Omo frɛ wo radio so TV so don't say anything negative about Owusu Bempah.
Speak to the microphone, please.
Don't say anything negative about Owusu Bempah. Okay. That is what Prophet Kobi. Inti Owusu Bempah ne Prophet Kobi insame buy. What is am kabida? Man kabida. Now I'm saying something about it.
Why are you saying it today?
I'm saying it today because question now will be some, I need to bring certain things in to justify certain things.
Ha! I'm sure Power Entertainment on Power FM, Power Entertainment on Radio XYZ, Power Entertainment on TV XYZ, Power Entertainment on YouTube. That's XYZ Broadcasting. We're streaming the show live on Power 979 FM and then also on Radio XYZ here in Facebook page. Ajimani, my name is Mr. Beautiful. And yes, I say, Power, what say?
What do you say? Nano Baba. Besa Prophet Kobi cast na di na woni fie. One directly because one more information.
Owusu
Bempah yes I know. One more information. As I'm talking to you, cast two or more changes here. Lincoln Navigator, brand new back any Porsche Panamera. A woman sounds here.
Na ye Osofo Badu Kobi
gas on the fire.
For cars saying
on for cars 3. Wow. Brand new cars.
I didn't number 5.
Almost on your duty. Omoko check no and government in power. Send a Prophet Kobi bomb which is on something negative. And come into mu. But cars no woman changes here, but they will pay for it.
And Osofo Owusu Bempah ne mom best saka.
Oh yeah, where he told Canada Japan. On no catch Canada Japan. Make Canada Japan man we for be fire. Custom for be side.
On no Canada Japan started so ye expose bi. Osofo Badu Kobi hu ba mu bi. E ba ne say no timi nya information e de kansam e fa Osofo Badu Kobi.
Wo no number nka wo frɛ no.
But mo anka samo nya mo search hwehwe mu.
Wo no number nka wo frɛ no. Because kwan of fast nya some information no e wo no nko aho.
and some no can no crabum.
Ajamai, Sanka Unya, can Japan no more, go friend. Nanko bis, as I'm talking to you, one because our prophet could be crap upon each other, some more kind, and you'll be a catcher. Now, appropriate time, he will mention the person's name.
Can a Japan friend also for
Of course.
but Kobi.
Yes.
Upon each other.
Yeah. So sorry, Ubina catcher.
Wow. Sansam the cost not saying now also for Badu Kobi feeling.
He's somebody. The life, and it is a school. May I always take his life as a school. I've learned a lot from these two great men, Prophet Kobi and John Dramani Mahama.
Okay.
I've learned a lot from these two great men. If I fail in life, I'm a very foolish person.
Okay.
Because I've learned a lot from them.
Okay. It's then and all year. I mean, then I'm not shedding crying.
He's quiet, he's calm, he's okay, he's
Power
all
the
right.
fan.
He's all right.
Okay.
But appropriate time. Share Ajamai. You say Prophet Kobi. The Owusu Akasa. Onim sani ya clear car mpo free port. Onim ye. Onye bida. Onim sani ya clear car free port. Say ye the car ba port. Na ye kwa ka clear. Ye ko trade uti wa ha. Ye ko ewe wa ha. Ye ko jubilee. Ye onim ye Prophet Kobi onim ye.
And the cast down all the chip celebrities and musicians and the
Power the fan.
Oto car dealers na no mo de bre no e ma ne to.
not that check for free.
Yeah. Me kai say me ko tia some C class open top bi.
Benz.
Me ko tia ka $45,000. Me tia ka Saturday. Sunday no reach Lumba. Yes. Osi nyankopon say so pese Lumba e live a on fa ne car nche no. E no de car nche na ye gi Lumba nduro ye ko hye no. Me na me gi nduro no. Asema me ke bi say nyansabo akwa was there. Roman father was there. Ask them.
Yes, I think I was at Rainbow. Me who interview crowd.
Thank you.
Yeah, Bishop Prophet Badu Kobi by Michelle Sumami who interview.
Thank you.
I remember that one.
You see, that's the kind of person he is. He gave without thinking. On Fanny Pound.
Watch your kada.
Me, watch him be that.
What you're saying.
Watch me Chrysler 300. And then me and so my church in the 3 cars, my church in Range Rover, my church in Golf, my church in the Sprinter.
Unya kanwe.
Me we are.
I you say cameras is how you acting. Who come we are casual church no.
No, that's not everything. Me one of them. Mayor of
Mr. Beautiful.
my brother.
When was the last time who Nicolas Omane Champo?
Michia Nico. I say no for now.
Okay.
I'm saying no by election. No.
Okay.
Any Michia no, he didn't come show me who he
He's your brother.
Oh, he's my brother.
He's your friend.
He was, but today he's not my friend.
Why?
He spoke negative about John Mama.
And that
That's end the relationship. Like Ejako. I will never see Ejako and greet Ejako. Me, I will never ever see Kofioduro Ejako and greet him or shake his hand. I will never do that stupid thing.
I didn't.
He lied about John Mama. Said John Mama aton duty na ne boy den wa Ghana no. John Mama na aton tema habo. Kurasi meet so. How can you speak this against President
Power the
Mama?
fan.
That is why many Brakrasa interview no me mention the Dean because he's one of the grateful persons I've ever seen. John Mama ne Mauska, John Mama show, John Mama top plane ticket mau. And the one who MPP, so you want to, discredit John Mama. Hey, I'll come after you. You are my enemy.
So now Ejako is your enemy.
Yeah, sure, he's my enemy.
Now Omane Champo
He's also enemy.
Now I don't know the honor or why you.
Obane Champo Prophet Kobi did very well for his life. Time Ojiji Nkrofo wo sika do ho bokwa abrochi na opa hyehye no. Eyima na auto from cells to cells. Nungwafo watche na teshifu egejina ho. Wo beli na teshifu agen. Teshifu didn't do Teshi police station na lafo aso aba. Lafo wo beli na lafo so agen no was na kwala. Na usufu so aba. He was touring. Then Prophet Kobi came in. He saved his life and bought him a car. Last car, I'm the car nishinsem. Nizai
Power
Pathfinder.
the fan.
Also car no petrol. why the prophet Kobi bought a brand new car ama oba pa krisi na wato over age car. Unfortunately car no kita no oye V8 nti man susu there oye 2.0 today wo car kitakita no kita no. Because of that he spoke bad things about prophet Kobi. Since that day no be enemy.